Hello everyone, this is Revati working as an assistant professor for information technology in SNS College of Engineering. In my today lecture series, going to see about recursive algorithm for the factorial of given number. First, the objective of this video is the difference between the iteration and regression and design a recursive algorithm. Determine when a regression is an appropriate solution and write simple recursive function for the given number. Then the factorial, a case study. We begin the discussion of recursion with a case study and it used to define the concept of the factorial. This section also present an iterative and a recurrent solution to the factorial of given number. Then here there are two methods are used. First one is recursive defined, the second one is recursive solution. Here we have to explain the factorial of the given number using iterative method. If you see here, the factorial of n is equal to 1 if n is equal to 0. That means 1 factorial is equal to 0. Then second one will be then the second one will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into up to 3 into 2 into 1. This formula will be applicable if the n number is greater than 0. This is the iterative factorial algorithm for the factorial of given number. Next we have to see about how the recursive algorithm will be used to give the solution for the factorial of given number. Then this is for recursive method of the factorial of given number. Here the factorial of n is equal to 1 if n is equal to 0. Then the next will be the recursive function n into factorial of n minus 1. This is the difference between the iterative and the factorial iterative and the recursive algorithm for given number. If n is equal to greater than 0, the recursive function will be calculated as follows. Suppose we have to calculate factorial of number 3 means factorial of 3 equal to n. Here the n value will be 3 and the factorial of n minus 1 means factorial of 2. Again it will be called the factorial function for next calculating the value of n into n minus 1. That means here the factorial of 2 is equal to n into n minus 1. That means 2 into n minus 1 means factorial of 1. Here again the factorial of 1 will call the factorial recursive function. Here the factorial of 1 is equal to 1 into factorial of 0. That means 1 into 1 factorial. The all the three values will be give the resultant of 3 factorial. That means factorial of 3 into 2 is equal to 2, 6. Then factorial of 2 is equal to 2 into 1 equal to 2. Then factorial of 1 equal to 1. That last resultant value will be previously taken by the factorial function. Then the last 2 is multiplied with the 3 and it gives the final resultant value. This is the difference between the recursive function and the iterative method for the factorial. Here is the iterative factorial algorithm. Iterative factorial algorithm calculate the factorial of the given number using loop. Here the first step will be set I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, then set factorial to n. It will enter into the loop. That means loop of I less than or equal to n, then set fact of n to fact of n minus n into I. Then it will increment the I value, then end the loop function. It will finally return the factorial of the given number. In my next video, we can see about the factorial method for the given number. Thank you.